What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy a Discord server using a server template. This handy feature allows you to replicate everything from channels and roles to server settings, making it super easy to set up a new server with the same structure as an existing one. Remember, this functionality is only available on a desktop or browser version of Discord, and you need to be the server owner or have the managed server role to utilize it. To start, open a Discord server you wish to copy. Look for the drop-down menu on the right side of the server name and click on it to open a drop-down menu. Here, navigate to Server Settings to access the server's configuration options. Once you're in the server settings, head over to the left sidebar and find the Server Template section. The Server Template feature allows you to create a blueprint of your server, including all its channels, topics, roles, permissions, and other settings. To create a template, simply give it a name and a brief description. Then click on Generate Template. You also have the option to preview the template to see exactly what will be copied over, including the channel structures and settings, ensuring everything is as you expect. Once you click on Generate Template, you're done. This template can now be used to create a new server that mirrors the original server setup. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity and efficiency, especially useful for quickly setting up new servers for communities, projects, or any other purpose where you need a familiar structure. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.